Is your pet a senior pet? Well, the big question is, what age is it when we consider our pets to be senior? Well, for dogs, it is 7 years old. So regardless of their size, 7 years old is what we consider to be a senior pet. For cats, it's usually actually 10. So the American Association for Feline Practitioners, or AAFP for short, says 10, although there are some breeds that we may consider to be 8 as seniors, but 7 for dogs, 10 for cats. Now then the other question I get is, how old is my pet if they're in human years? And it is not a 7-to-1 as everybody says, because pets age and mature very differently than us, right? So a dog at 1 year old is not necessarily a 7-year-old in humans. So it's not this one for one as people always think. Of course, it's an easy way to kind of consider it, but what I often think about is when our pets not only become senior, but when they become geriatric, when they become fragile, when they are much more care dependent, so we have to take care of them a bit more. And that's usually about the last 10% of their lifespan. So our last 2 to 3 years of our pet's life is what I consider them to be geriatric and fragile. And that is going to be different for every pet and every disease that they might be going through. So if you think that your pet has got a lot of problems and you need some help, please see your veterinarian or reach out to Lap of Love to see if a hospice appointment might be more appropriate. So I hope that helps you understand if your pet's a senior or not.